Hi everyone, I designed this hairstyle for very long hair. On the top I took out a section, two ponytails at the back, and I tong everything. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the top area into two sections, left and right, and I'm going to crisscross them over. Now once I've done that, I'm going to take the middle area and place that up on the top, and I'm going to create a third ponytail with these two sections. And this is the important one. This is what's going to lock the whole hairstyle together. Then I'm going to come to the middle, create a beautiful two-strand braid, and with that little ponytail that I put underneath, I'm going to pull the hair back up through twice. This is a fantastic hairstyle, as I say, for very long hair. This gives the illusion of shorter hair because I use all the tails now as a final decoration. For the full tutorial, become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club.